Welcome back. Let's try to factor out some more trinomials. We've done them where all of the terms are positive, but you know it's not always going to be like that. So let's try some where B is negative and C is positive. So once again, we're going to try to think what kind of numbers will multiply to get me a positive C, but will add to get me a negative B. Well, I'm thinking about my integer rules, and let's see. Well, a negative times a negative is a positive, and a negative plus another negative is still negative. So let's try that. Here we go. I have x squared minus 5x plus 6. I want to factor that back out into binomials. So x squared is just x times x. That's taken care of. But now, what two numbers will multiply to get me a positive 6, but add to get me a negative 5? Well, how about a negative 3 and a negative 2? What about that? A negative times a negative is a positive, but negative 3 plus negative 2 is negative 5. So you can FOIL that back out and see if that works. Let's go on to, and I'll let you do that on your own time. Let's go on and do another one. Let's factor out this one. Once again, I'm going to factor that back out into the binomials. So, what multiplies to get me 4, but adds to get me a negative 5? How about a negative 4 and a negative 1? Negative times a negative is a positive, but negative 4 plus negative 1 is negative 5. So if you FOIL all that back out, it should work. One more. We're going to factor this one back out. X squared is still just x times x. Now, what can I multiply to get a positive 4, but add to get a negative 4? I'm thinking negative 2 and negative 2. Let's see if that works. Negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4, but a negative 2 plus another negative 2 is a negative 4. So that's how you factor out trinomials when B is negative and C is positive. I hope that helps you while we're still on shelter in place. Thanks, guys.